Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
Beyond classic Christmas tree decorating, more and more people are discovering a different approach, creating a Christmas tree from any materials at hand. This is where the real holiday magic begins. The most important thing is not expensive ornaments or a perfect shape, but creative thinking, imagination, and the ability to see festive beauty in ordinary objects. A Christmas tree can be made from almost anything and still look stylish, cozy, and truly unique. One of the most popular directions today is eco-style trees made from natural materials. Pine cones, branches, wooden sticks, and wood slices easily turn into warm, atmospheric compositions. These trees feel especially at home in rustic, Scandinavian, or nature-inspired interiors and bring a sense of calm and authenticity. Another visually striking option is airy trees made from yarn or thread. Light, delicate, and almost floating, they interact beautifully with soft lighting and fairy lights. This is a perfect example of how simple materials can create an elegant, high-end visual effect. For those who enjoy playful ideas, edible Christmas trees made from fruits and berries offer a fresh perspective. They work not only as decoration, but also as part of the holiday table, always surprising guests and viewers alike. A separate category includes wall-mounted and spatial trees made from garlands and tinsel. Light outlines on walls or in room corners are ideal for small spaces and look especially impressive on camera, particularly in time-lapse formats. Household and interior items can also become the foundation for creative trees. Books, ladders, hangers, wine corks, and wooden boards transform into bold design statements that highlight personality and fit perfectly into modern styles such as minimalism, loft, or Scandinavian design. Finally, there are true art trees made from unexpected objects, garden tools, kitchen utensils, or textiles. These designs go beyond decoration and become expressive holiday art pieces that instantly capture attention. All these ideas prove one thing: a Christmas tree is not a fixed tradition, but a creative canvas.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.